Hello and welcome to Quest, weekly Kashmir University video digest. First, a look at the highlights. Vice Chancellor announces winner of essay competition. Kashmiri Department holds 35th annual seminar. And COA celebrates its 3rd annual day. Now the details of these events with your host Amir Salati. Department of Students' Welfare, in collaboration with British High Commission, had organized an essay competition on multiculturalism. The essay competition was open for all the undergraduate students. The essay competition, titled "What Role Can Youth Play in Making Multiculturalism a Success in Society?", received a number of entries. After their evaluation, 7 best write-ups were sent to British Commission Office, New Delhi, for final selection of the winner. To declare the winners, an event was held in the committee room of the administration block, in which the 7 shortlisted candidates were also present. Head External Political Affairs, British High Commission, Mr. Alex Bamford, delivered a special lecture on crystal forms and their combination. Director, Institute of Kashmir Studies, Professor Gul Mohammad Wani, in his keynote address, stressed that multiculturalism must be promoted vigorously.
Multiculturalism cannot be promoted in any vacuum. It is very easy to talk about it. It is very difficult to conceive of a situation where communities can live side by side, where religious groups can live side by side. We have ourselves in this part of the world gone through a very traumatic experience where a minority community could not live with us for some reasons. So naturally, in case there is a trouble in one part of South Asia, it reverberates in other parts of South Asia. It has implications on multiculturalism in other parts of South Asia. Having said that, what becomes very important for us is that the youth do have talent, they have energy, they have dynamism.
Dean Academic Affairs, Professor A.M. Shah, told students that our youth are going through what in management is called turbulent competitive environment.
In this turbulent competitive environment, I believe that how we are going to contribute or how we are going to learn this is also in challenge. But from university point of view, at the university level, we have definitely a role to play under the leadership of Honorable Vice Chancellor. We are trying our level best to identify and create the opportunities wherein our youth are not only going to contribute things, not only going to learn very effectively, but contribute at different levels. Obviously, this is one of the important activities which was carried out by the university. The university is trying to connect to the world institutions.
Professor Shah explained students how individuals have become globalized today.
The connectiveness or basically the technology or other things have helped us that we are so connected that we are in the evening understanding what is going on in the world as a whole. So not only that, people are connected by one way or the level to South Asia and to the world and other things. Now, obviously, when this is done, there are the youth, they are obviously looking for the space, or youth are basically looking that what role they can play there, or should they contribute, or it is very easy for them also to contribute in this sense, what is going on and what's not going on, to understand. And I see a lot of write-ups coming in newspapers from the youth. It speaks that our youth is now, in fact, not only understanding these things, but they are also, in fact, contributing by one way or the other way in these things.
Vice Chancellor, University of Kashmir, Professor Talat Ahmed, before announcing the winner, informed students about various scholarships available for Kashmiri students.
We have now programs of Udaan and Himayat, which is actually building bridges between the youth of Jammu and Kashmir and other parts of the country. Students are going from here to different parts and they're getting jobs, they're getting trained. So somehow the possibilities have now opened up for people to come from outside and also people from here to go to other places. And then this multiculturalism will really work. We also have this Prime Minister's scheme, as you all know, of scholarship. So there were some difficulties, but now it is going to be in very nice way arranged. So many of you can take advantage of the new scholarship scheme. I think it's about 5,000 scholarships for the youth of Jammu and Kashmir. And now we are directly monitoring it through AICT and UGC, so there will be no in-between NGOs.
Later, Professor Talat announced the name of the winner.
First, I should say, I should congratulate all of you. I got the message from British Council as well as our own examiners here that most of you did very well. That shows the talent that our youth and of the valley and Jammu and Kashmir in general they have. But the scheme is such that we cannot send all of you to UK, but definitely at least one we can send. Okay? And out of you, one who is fortunate this time is Najwa Shabir.
Winner of the essay competition, Najwa Shabir of Women's College, MA Road, also spoke on the occasion.
Basically, all big things have small startings, and I think basically how we can empower multiculturalism is that we should start it at our homes first, where we first have to change our mindsets, family mindsets, and the children. So after that, we can do big things. But basically, these are the small things that actually matter. That's what.
The award offers Najwa 1 week sponsored tour to the United Kingdom. Earlier, Dean Students Welfare, Professor Nilofer Khan, presented the welcome address. Cultural Officer Mr. Shahid Ali Khan conducted the proceedings of the function. Department of Kashmiri held its 35th annual seminar. The inaugural function of the seminar was held in the Humanities Auditorium. Kashmiri Poetic Genres, Form, Tradition and Experiment was the title of the 3-day seminar. Head Department of Kashmiri, Professor Shad Ramzan, presented the inaugural address.
Majze hund ehtaram to lol chu pret kansin khatir lazman chahe sardi aise ya ushner aise. Yit pata ki kashir zaman chaise qadim tawarikh. Yit chas khabri ki kashir shairi yas chi yasa chi achu baktawar adbi riwayat dakis. Laldit per az tamat barabar. Ashot per sani ko yim sat is kashir zaman hin adbish kat karn is fakhr san wan ki aisa cha Laldit Sheikhul Alam Rahmandar Samad Mir Shams Fakir si bargazid shakhsiyat fod karmaz. Baak fakhr chu sani bapat yiti ya khushi hins kat ya takar pazur chi ki won chi kashir zaman aul pethan PhD sathastam parnawn even darsan. Wan chun pron zaman az bront us wuhuri os. Wan ch darsan kashir zaman parne iman wan English medium us kashir zaman parnawn yit chu sani bapat fakhr.
Dean Academic Affairs, Professor A.M. Shah, urged audience that only love for the Kashmiri language will help it to overcome hurdles, adding that one should take pride in Kashmiri language.
Agar look, panne level per, agar kan scientist aisi, kan aisi has medical colleges, kan aisi engineering colleges, kan aisi kunti jai, ye usi panin zaban chu image abiyari kari. Ago su nafar usana university mas paranchu Kashmiri. Na. اگر کان انگریزی تے پران چھو اگر کان مینجمنٹ پران چھو سائنس پران چھو مگر امس فخر حاصل کہ اس کاشر زبان بولان یم ساتن اس ات سٹیجس پر واتو ام خاطر کوشش کرو ام خاطر سٹریٹجی حکمت عملی بناو انشاءاللہ روزگار گژھِ سارن خاطر پانے تیار گو یہ انٹروڈیوس سکولن من وچ سوال سکول من لگے کس اگر فار ایگزامپل سکول ایجوکیشن پگہ یہ کور صحیح کہ یم تہ ہسا بی ایڈ کور کاشر چھُ تگان سارن پراون یہ تہ ہسا ہیکہِ پرنٲیِتھ تمیک مطلب گو یہ روزگار بنیا روزگار تمن بچن خاطر یم ایم اے کران یونیورسٹی مز سوال یہ کتن کہ یم سات کشمیری لینگویج عام گژھِ انشاءاللہ یم امس بچس خاطر یُس زن کشمیریس آبیاری کر کشمیری پر امس خاطر انشاءاللہ نیرِ روزگار.
Professor Shah hoped that the 3-day seminar will discuss in detail the shortcomings and the steps to be taken for its upliftment. Dean Faculty of Arts, Professor Bashir Ahmad Nahvi, stressed the point that Kashmiri language cannot be an orphan till people speak it.
سن زبان چھن کی یتیم کمزور لاگر نہیں مش یاد پیون کہ بے شمار شاعر چھ تم یمن اس مقابل ہیکو بڑن اردو کن فارسی کن تو عربی کن تو انگریزی کن شاعرن ست کرت وہب خار رسول میر محمود گامی عبدالحد زرگر صدیق اللہ حاجنی عبدالوہاب پرے فاضل کشمیری.
Professor Margoob Banhali also spoke on the occasion.
لالواکن ہندس ژومس رٲے ژھۄٹہِ کھۄتہٕ ژھۄٹِس انہارس اکہ تازٕ وفارُک عرفان تو زو زیت بخشن واجن شعر ذات چھ شرک یا شیخ شرک ناو زاننے یوان. ظاہری کھول خطک واریاہ پہلو چھ شیخ شرکن ہند حوالہ ات سرس باوت کران ز عربی تو فارسی ہشن مشرقی زبانن مز یس رول صوفیان تو عارفان یا فلسفیان تو دانشوران نقط پیش کرنے باپت ربائی ناوچہ شعر ذات ادا کورمت سی رول شاعر قرآن تو شاعر عرفان پنن عظیم تاثیر والن شیخ شرکن من ادا کران.
During seminar, various books authored by different authors were released. Kashmir University Officers Association celebrated its third annual day. To commemorate their third annual function that was held in Ibn Khaldun Auditorium, the Officers Association held a seminar titled Administrative Skills in Academic Institutions. President COAV, Dr. M.S. Sumbuli, while appreciating Vice Chancellor's role, said that it goes to the credit of Professor Talat that he has never parted with his academic research and teachings.
यहाँ वाइस चांसलर रह के जब ये वाइस चांसलर नहीं थे तब भी लद्दाख जाते थे अपने रिसर्च के सिलसिले में. जब वाइस चांसलर हो गए इनके गेस्ट्स फिनलैंड से आते हैं, इंग्लैंड से आते हैं और ये खुद भी जाते हैं. ये किसी ऐसे काम के लिए नहीं जाते कि एंजॉय करेंगे. उसके स्टूडेंट्स जब सबसे परसों लास्ट भी हमको बता दिया, अब भी करेक्शन इनसे लेते हैं, थीसिस सबमिट करते हैं, पीएचडी स्कॉलर लेते हैं, उनको गाइड करते हैं. एक रियल जो है ना, एक रियल काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी भी सब करते हैं. और मैंने कहा इससे हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी के न एक्सचेकर पे कोई असर पड़ता है, न कोई फंक्शन पे असर पड़ता है. जितने भी हमारे काम हैं हमारे रुकते नहीं हैं. हमको इनफैक्ट वी शुड अप्रिशिएट दैट वाइस चांसलर इज नॉट एक्सक्लूसिवली वाइस चांसलर, ही इज अ टीचर ऑल्सो. मेनी ऑफ अस हैव फॉरगॉटन टू बी टीचर्स. जब हम कोई एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव जॉब लेते हैं तो इनफैक्ट सारा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के पीछे चढ़ते. कंपल्सन ऐसे होते हैं, कोई खुशी की बात नहीं कि ऐसा ही करते हैं, लेकिन वी डोंट फाइंड फॉर एकेडमिक्स. लेकिन साहब को ये एक इम्तियाज है मेरे हिसाब से दैट यू आर स्टिकिंग टू एकेडमिक्स ऑल्सो.
Registrar Professor Zafar Ahmad Rishi informed audience that world is moving towards knowledge economy and higher education institutions have a paramount significance for that.
World over you will find that we are shifting to what we call as knowledge economy. And in that knowledge economy, these educational institutions would become all the more important. They would become complex, isn't it? The funding would improve, competition would improve. And consequently, these universities have to be then administered very seriously, isn't it? And then there is every likelihood that the volume of students that we have as on date may increase several fold. Look at the examination system. A time was there when you had a very small number of students who were getting examined through the university. Now look at today's times, isn't it? The role has increased. The role of officers has tremendously increased. The managerial aspects basically have come into sharp focus. I mean, these are the new paradigms that are shaping basically these educational institutions. And officers, teachers, students, everybody has to be alive basically to this new reality.
Professor Rishi reminded officials that university is meant for all, adding one cannot compartmentalize it.
I do not want to compartmentalize university into officers, into teachers, into say students, into non-teaching staff. I do not want. I mean, it is not going to work that way. For me, university is a unitary whole, and then as a unit, it has to actually function. And in this unit, everybody is important. Students are important, teachers are important, officers are important. And then each one has to basically perform, and each one has a defined role, and each one has to perform his role, isn't it? And then only these institutions would progress, agreed? It's the fact that at a particular place, a student may acquire significance, may be important because it's at the end of the day is an educational institution where we deal basically with students, isn't it? And then everything revolves around them. And notwithstanding that, but every individual is important and every individual performs a very significant role.
Dean Academic Affairs, Professor A.M. Shah stressed the importance in understanding the requirements of the organization and work hard for those to be achieved.
If an officer or a person who is working in an organization is not understanding what his organization is, he may not be able to develop the qualities which are required for a person. You see, we are in an organization which is a different organization, is an academic institution. An institution wherein basically we are here, the main, the core is that we are here for students. Means actually, this is an institution where students are being educated. So we are here, then there is a teacher, and then there are officers and all these things. The basic core is the student, and we have to provide education. Obviously, we have to talk in terms of quality education. So we have to not only understand what exactly are the existing requirements of this institution, but we have to also think about future requirements.
Dean Management Studies, Professor Shabir Ahmad Bhatt, also spoke on the occasion.
It reminded me of Aristotle, who thousands of years back said, "We are what we repeatedly do. We are what we repeatedly do." Excellence then is not an act but a habit. As a matter of fact, it took me a long time to understand what Aristotle meant. Unless my hands laid on a book, what we call Habits of Highly Effective People, written by a management expert, So in that book, I would like to quote, he says, "Sow a thought, reap an action. Sow an action, reap a habit. Sow a habit, reap a character. Sow a character, reap a destiny." And that's how academic institutions have evolved over at a time.
Vice Chancellor Professor Talat Ahmed, in his address, while appreciating the efforts and dedication of the officers of the university, advised them to be a bit open for suggestions.
It is advantageous to be a scientist because you are always open to changes. You may take, the difficulties many times comes if the administrator, say for example, Vice Chancellor, takes a decision, and then whether in the inside of his heart he may feel that it was wrong decision. Okay, but if he is not a scientist in general, and if somebody is egoist, he will carry on the wrong decision, which I don't believe, because I am very pure scientist in that faction. If I feel I keep changing my own theories, my own observations. So same thing may happen, when I am an administrator. So one should be, all the officers, and I would suggest, should actually see from their own inside heart and mind, okay? If they have done something wrong, they should be ready to accept it and change it.
Professor Talat reiterated the point that university and all its officials are meant for the betterment of the students.
We are all here for the students, the betterment of the students who are our own children. What best we can do for them, how best we can give them education, how best we will be able to get them jobs ultimately, is more important, I feel. And for that matter, we have to do future planning, go to conferences, okay, bring funds, because anything you do, ultimately it boils down to funds. How much funds you can bring. If I or if my colleagues have to go to Delhi or go anywhere, we are not going for holidays, we are going for the job of the university.
President QUTA, Professor M.Y. Ganai, also attended the session. General Secretary QUAO, Mr. S.M. Imran, conducted the proceedings of the function, while Publicity Secretary QUAO, Mr. Shaukat Shafi, proposed the vote of thanks. Later, Professor Talat also felicitated several officers of the VASTI who retired during the past 1 year. With this, we come to the end of today's program. Log on to our website, emrckashmir.com, where you can watch all the latest episodes of The Quest. Send us your suggestions at our email address quest@emmrckashmir.com. Before I take your leave, here are few words of wisdom. There is no single cross culturally valid standard of rationality. Rationality is relative.